nobody home. Hello, I've got your Avon. There's nobody home. Hello, I've got your Avon. No.
Probably thought you was a Jehovah's Witness. Radio 2 was talking about your favourite bench for some strange reason. This is my one. I've never sat on it, I've only just seen it, but it's my favourite one.
Do you get upset when people are sitting on your favourite
Yeah, how dare they?
Your fear on the bench.
Doo doo. Doo doo. Is someone home at this one?
I want to tell you about the Lord. No, no one's in.
It no joke looks like a dead walrus from the side.
The web has been a bit.
Come on then.
That web
That way.
be a lot like straight up.
That way. Come on, that way. Pull your legs off.
Give me the stick or I'll use my stick on you. Now give me the stick or else. Give me the stick or else.
It's too unwieldy, you'd be able to beat him.
Yeah, of course I would.
Give me a stick.
You gonna try it?
Disarmed.
I have laces, this is unfair.
I think so. It's my phone. My bum only just fits in it though. It's not very big. You can see all of that from the visitor centre. It looks amazing. Trick track, trick track, trick track. I was a billy goat gruff and no one wanted me.
We're going on the bear.
Gonna catch a big one. Yeah. We're not scared.
I can't remember how it goes.
It's been a few years since I was on bear hunts.
Yeah. It's harder to do one-handed.
Steve.
Oh, you have to put your hands down. Oh!
Hey, refund. That's cheating.
Can I do it with no legs?
Okay. No eyes. I'm going with no eyes. Ow.
It's wibbly. No, I can't do it now. Oh, alive!
Dexter told me to do it no eyes, so I'm gonna do it no eyes.
Bird
Dexter,
box.
It really doesn't affect anything because you just kind of like You just kind of like go in the same distance from them.
Go Dexter. Go Dexter.
It's easier without eyes.
Weird, because you're not trying to focus on one
What?
You could just jump it.
I couldn't because I don't want to get these wet. Because Mum would kill me.
He has got a point.
Yeah.
Oh, so we're not going across.
No.
If I did that, Mum would kill me.
Can you? Do you know if you can meet up from the other? Like, I can't remember. You used to do that all the time at the other one, didn't you?
I genuinely wasn't expecting to make that one.
Wasn't there a picture of you like halfway across
Hey
it?
Mum, can I do it?
Someone took a picture of you.
Yeah.
Yes, once.
Too risky.
And there's no way you could do that in your sliders. So should warn your own old trainers. I don't care what happens to
My
them.
old trainers easily.
The one problem is I screwed up on the landing and now my legs hurt.
Oh no.